Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the oven safe. Turn it off and let it cool, and if practical, disconnect power. Once done, open the door fully and inspect the side racks for stops or retaining clips. You need to see how they attach. Use a flashlight to reveal screws or tabs. Put on gloves for grip and heat protection. Then position a flat tool under a clip edge and pry gently to begin freeing the rack assembly. You now disengage the rack. Support its weight with one hand so it doesn't drop, and with the other, work the clip or stop you noted earlier. Once a clip is deformed or lifted, slide the rack along the guide rails until the stop clears. Make sure to tilt the rack slightly if the inner end has a catch, then pull straight out to prevent bending the rails. Take your time. Forcing it risks warping or breaking the guides. Finish by inspecting what you removed. Check rails, clips, and stops for bends, cracks, or missing screws because worn parts cause future jams. Once cleaned, remove debris from grooves, and if sticking was an issue, apply a tiny amount of oven-safe lubricant. Make sure it's rated for high heat. Reinstall the rack in reverse order, test smooth movement, and only then restore power. If a rack still binds, double-check alignment and replace any damaged clips. Don't force it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.